Excel class.
Welcome to the fourth lecture of the AutoCAD. In this lecture, I will teach you the three different methods to draw the line. So let's start. Well, I have discussed about the draw panel and other panels in my second lecture. So I will be covering draw panel in today's lecture, and specifically I will be teaching you line command. So to draw the line, to draw this line, we have three different methods. First one is the absolute method, and second one is the relative method, and third one is the polar method. These three different methods are used to draw the line. So I will be discussing one by one. So let's start with the absolute method. Suppose I want a rectangle having dimension of 10 in all x-axis and 5 in the y-axis. Means a rectangle having x-axis 10 and y-axis 5. So I will click line command and I will type here line, which I will already mentioned. Clicking line. Here's mentioned lines specific first point. So this one is 0, 0. So as I mentioned, I want a rectangle having x-axis 10 and y-axis 5. So next component will be 10, 0. And next component will be 10, 5. And next component will be here. Obviously here x-axis will be 0. Means next coordinate will be 0, 5. And next will be 0, 0, So I have drawn this rectangle using the absolute coordinate system. So this one was the first method, in which we will put coordinates on the absolute plane. Why I am saying absolute means here is the value of the 10 and 5. Here is the value of the 10 and 0, sorry, 10 and 5, 0 and 5, 0, 0. Why I am saying this is absolute? Because these three coordinates are depending upon absolutely on this reference axis, that is 0, 0. So this is absolute method. So same, I want to draw the same rectangle having length 10 and having height the 5. I am mentioning here this length is the 10 and this one is the 5. So just I want to show you delete it into one, delete. So I want to draw this rectangle using the relative coordinate system. That is the second way to draw the line. So let's start. Again, I will click line command or I will type L based on the line command. So line specific first point of relative coordinate system, and in absolute coordinate system, the first point will be same, that is 0, 0. Or you can write means this will be the 0, 0. What will be the next point in the relative coordinate system? Because in both coordinate system I am choosing the same rectangle having length 10 and having height 5. So in relative coordinate system, every coordinate will be depending on the relatively on the previous coordinate. Suppose now I want to have 10 on the x-axis, so I will be writing here relatively that at the rate 10 over 3. So next, what will be the next coordinate? That will be 5 on the y-axis. But in relative coordinate system, how can we write it? We can write it in the relative or relative. Here, x-axis will not be 10. X-axis will be 0 over 5. Have you noticed? I'm writing its coordinate relatively to the previous coordinate. I'm not comparing or I'm not putting this coordinate with respect to the reference coordinate. So in relative coordinate system, you will be writing coordinate with respect to the most previous one, not the reference one. So what will be the next coordinate of this rectangle? This will be depending on the previous one, and I want to move from this coordinate to the next coordinate 10, and along y-axis I am moving 0. But as it's on the negative x-axis, minus x-axis, so I will be writing at the rate minus 10 over 0. So next one will be 0, 0. So you can put the close and press enter. So I have drawn this rectangle by the relative coordinate system, same rectangle which I have drawn by using absolute coordinate system. Now I have drawn this by the relative coordinate system. You can check that this has the same dimension as of the 10, and this has the 5. Well, okay, Control R, delete. Now I will be trying the same rectangle using the coordinate system. So this one is the third method. Third method to draw the line. So let's start. Again I will click here in the line 1, specific first point, that will be the 0, 0. And what will be the next point in the coordinate system? Well, in this we will be mentioning the angle also along with the length. So, as I want to draw the same rectangle which I have drawn in the absolute coordinate system, in the relative coordinate system, means having length 10 and having height 5. So, I will be writing here in polar coordinate system 10 angle of 0. Have you noticed? I didn't mention y-axis in the polar coordinate system. Rather than I mentioned angle along with the length. So what will be the next point in the polar coordinate system? That will be 5 at the angle of, what will be the angle? 90. Well, so next coordinate system is the polar coordinate system. I want to draw the same rectangle which I draw for the relative and for the absolute. So in this, again we will click here line command. Your first one will be 0, 0, and your next point. What will be your next point? As we mentioned, this rectangle has the same length of 10 and height of 5. So next point will be the angle 10, length 10. And is the 0. So what will be the next point? Next point has lines plus the next point, and you can do the escape. Well, I want to complete it. I will click here. First point will be here. And what will be the next point? That will be the 5 angle 0, 1, 0. Because from this point I am moving here is 0, here is 90, here is 180, here is 270, here is 360. I want to move 5, 90. Well, in polar coordinate system, I want to draw the same rectangle as I will draw for the polar, as for the absolute and as for the relative, having height of 10 and having height of the 5. So first quadrant will be 0, 0, and next quadrant will be the 10, angle of 0, and next quadrant will be 5 at the angle of 90, and what is the next point? That will be next coordinate system is the polar coordinate system. So what will be the method? This one is a third method to draw the line. So I will click here line command. As first quadrant will be the same for all three methods, polar, relative and absolute. That will be 0, 0. I want to draw the same rectangle which we had drawn for the relative and for the absolute. So that one is the 10, having the length of 10 and having the length of 5. So first line will be 10 at the angle of 0. So next line, what will be the next coordinate? It will depending on the length from the previous coordinate, and this will be depending on the angle with respect to the this point with respect to the over reference coordinate system. So, and in reference here, this one is 0, this one is 90, this one is 180, this one is 270, and this one is 360. So I am mentioning here this coordinate system. So when I want to move 5 at the angle of the 90 degree, so I will be writing here 5 at the angle of the 90 degree. So what will be the next point? That will depend upon the length, and that will depend upon the angle from the previous with respect to the overall reference point. So that will be the 10 at the angle of, what will be the angle? This will be the angle of the 180. And next, what will be the next point? That will be the 0 comma, or you can even write here, this one. If you want to close it, if you want to use coordinates of the polar, so you can write 5 at the angle of 273. That's all. I hope so you understood this lecture is informative for you. If you have any question, you can ask. See you next time.